Yeah, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. Today's video, I'm so excited that I have found this exchange and they are doing airdrop. Okay, and this is secret airdrop that not everybody that know about this. Okay, because what I do in this channel is that I make sure that I find that secret website, okay, or secret airdrop that is going to make you a lot of money. Don't play with any exchange that is doing airdrop, okay, because they are trying to give you their native token free of charge. You are not paying money to get their native token, okay, and that native token is what they are going to be using for the exchange for trading. And just let me just tell you that you can see Trust Wallet has their own token, okay, not native token, and you know how much their native token worth. And another thing is this pancake swap, they have their own native token, and their native token worth I think is $3 or $4 now. Let's just say that you have this token right now, like 10,000 worth of it, okay. Do you know how much you are going to make? This is the reason why you guys should queue up whenever I upload video like this, so that you'll be among those that get the knowledge. Don't think that you are wasting your time in my channel, because there will come a time when you will start to understand that you are building wealth without even knowing, okay. What you are doing right now, you are building wealth and you are also learning, okay, so that when you learn and you put it in practice, you are going to make money. That's why I keep teaching you everything from scratch. I'm not those people that will come and tell you something without practicing it. I'm the type that I follow you up and I show you what you should do, and I will also be doing that, okay. Try and come and watch this video, this first video that I upload yesterday. You can see it here. This is how to make at least $1.1 daily. You can come and watch this video. There's a lot of video that you need to watch here, so that you will understand, and when you understand, you can put it in practice, okay. So back to our discussion, I'm going to show you this exchange, okay, that is doing their own airdrop, okay. And you know how we do everything. Don't be in a hurry to jump some video, because if you skip any part of this video, you are going to lose the most important part of it. So make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. Don't think that you are wasting your data. You are not wasting your data in this channel. You are building career, you are building wealth unknowingly to you. So guys, make sure you smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and give me a sweet comment, because I will keep uploading quality video that will change your life for good, okay. If you are not investing in launchpad, if you are not partaking in all this airdrop, you are losing a lot of money. You are losing a lot of money. So let's go. Let me show you how you can claim this airdrop, and everything here is free of charge. They are going to share 50,000 USDT to all their active miners, okay, those that mine this airdrop every day, okay. They are going to share 50,000, and you could be part of it. You could be part of people that will win this 50,000 USDT. There's plenty money to make on crypto space. So let's go to this website, their website, okay. So the name of this website is BiSwift, okay. This is BiSwift. So make sure that you use the link in the description to join, and if you use the link, you are going to get yourself here, okay. And once you get yourself here, you are going to see welcome to BiSwift. Someone recommend that you create an account with us, okay, which is me. I recommend that you should create an account, because I want to see you succeed in life. So how do you do this? Once you click on the link in the description, you're going to get yourself here. And if you are using this iOS, you can click on this second one. See where I'm touching. If you are Android user, you can make use of this Android, okay. So how do we install this BiSwift? So how to do it is, once I click on this place, you can see where my arrow is touching. So once I click on this, just follow me step by step. You are going to enjoy it. So once you click on that, you're going to click on this install, okay. We are doing everything practical. We are not in a hurry, okay. Don't be in a hurry when we are learning something here. So you need to leave it to load. Keep smashing that subscription button, okay, and turn on the notification bell, and also be part of our social medias by using the link. All the link that you need is in the description, and make sure that you use the link, okay. Join our social medias, join our TikTok, join our WhatsApp group, okay. All those places is where I teach you guys how to make money online. So once you click on this open after installation, okay, the next thing we are going to do is to register. Okay, registration is very simple and easy. Okay, so you can see sign up to get BSF. Okay, that's their native token, BSF. Okay, and daily bonuses. You are going to be getting daily bonuses. So how do you sign up? So once you click on this place, the next thing to do is to put your email address. Okay, so after putting your email address, you put your password here, and after putting your password, this is my referral link. Okay, because I'm the one that refer you. Because you are using this referral link, you are going to get bonus. Okay, so after that, you click on sign up. You are going to follow the simple procedures like putting your name and there and all this. So after doing this, the next thing you should do is to log in after registration, after you have successfully create your account on BiSwift. Okay, so you click on this login. Okay, so once you click on login, you are going to put your name, or you are going to put your email address or your username and put your password. So I'm going to do everything right now. So I click on my password. So after putting my password, I'm going to click on this login. So once I click on login, I'm going to allow it to load. Okay, so you can see that I have successfully logged in. Okay, so what do you need to do here? Like I said, that this airdrop is still new, and like I said, that Glab limited massive reward up to $50,000. You can see it here. This is to tell you that you are new. Okay, this is to tell you that you are coming on board on time. Okay, this is the amount they are going to share to all the active miners. So how do you be part of this? How do you qualify to share this 50,000 USDT? Don't think that this is not true. This is true. Okay, this is new token, and they are doing everything they can just to get people to their native token. Okay, so for them to do this, it simply means that they have invested a lot of money just to make sure that you will make money with their exchange. Okay, this is like Trust Wallet. This is like other exchanges that have their own native token. Okay, like Binance have BNB, that's their native token. Okay, so this, even if they are doing airdrop in other exchanges, you are going to be using their token. This is the reason why you should be here on time. Okay, so you can see that they are still working on so many things here. This is to tell you that this website is still new. Okay, so what do you need to do? Like if you click on this deposit here, you can see implementation soon. Okay, you can see it. This simply means that they are still working on those things. Okay, so the first thing you need to do whenever you come to this kind of website or app, just make sure that you see their social media handles. Most important thing, any website that doesn't have something like this, it simply means that that website is fake. Okay, just always check whether you will see any of their handles, their social media, where you can complain anytime you have any problem. Okay, make sure you see this, and you can see contact support included. You must see all those things. So what I want you to do after registration is come to this Telegram. Make sure you join them on Telegram. Okay, you can follow them on Twitter. You can also follow them on all these social medias. Okay, so that you'll be getting updates. You will know what is happening. Okay, you will know how they say that you are going to claim this money, so that you will rush and claim this money. So how do you keep claiming this airdrop? Okay, I'm going to show you how you can keep claiming their native token. How do you do that? You can see where they write claim BSF. Okay, this is their native token. You click on this place. So once you click on that place, you will see that collect your BSF every day. Okay, login in 8 days. Log in 8 days in a row, and your earning will skyrocket. Okay, this is to tell you that you need to keep logging in. Okay, doing what I will show you how to do. So what do you need to do? You can see that the first day you are going to get 0.2 BSF. You are going to get 0.2 BSF. That's their native token. Then the day 2, you are going to get 0.2 BSF. Okay, that's for the day 2. Day 3, you are going to get 0.4 BSF. That's day 3. Day 4, the same thing. Day 5, you are going to get 0.7 BSF. That's for day 5, day 6 you are going to get 0.85 BSF. You see how it keep increasing. So you can see day 7 the same amount, then day 8 you are going to get 1 plus 1.0. okay, and it will keep increasing every day. They say that log in 8 days in a row and your earning will skyrocket. Okay, you can see that. So you can see here that I have completed the first task, which gave me 0.20 here. How do you do that? Every day you need to come and click on this place, wait for countdown. You can see that because I have claimed this first one. Okay, so once you click on this place, it will take good that you have come to this for the day 1, and once it's up to 24 hours also, you are going to click on this and it will show this good. You can see what their mark, this is the good. So this simple means that I have completed this, and you will see that the time will start ticking. You can see that. So you can keep doing this until day 8, which is when you will have plus 1.0. okay, and it will skyrocket. Okay, that simple means that you are going to get more coin. Okay, you are going to get more of their token. So you can see what I touched. You can see how much I have earned. Okay, so more things to do in this channel. So once you click on this place again, you are going to see a lot of things about your, you can see no name set. Okay, which I will also set it later. You can see this, everything here is new and they are still building on a lot of things. Okay, edit your profile, how it work, contact support, Telegram community, about, sign out. You can see change your password. So after you see all those things, you will also come to this place. You can see where they write invite friends. Okay, you need to invite friends. That's why I ask you guys to, everybody should go to TikTok. Everybody should go to, if you don't know how to make money, if you don't know how to put all those things in place, you are not going to make a lot of money. That's the simple truth. Okay, go to TikTok. TikTok, every video there is going viral now, as of now. Okay, just, even if you don't want to do more things, just keep screenshotting this and put some music there. You can see all this viral music, just put it. Once you screenshot this, you can put it there and write something, and everybody seeing it. Once everybody keeps seeing this, like let's say every day, they will start asking you question. Guy, I want to join, how do I join? Then you will refer them to your WhatsApp where you can give them the link. Okay, it's very simple. I want you to make money. I want you to know what I know. That's why I'm showing you, I'm telling you all those things. If I don't want you to know what I know, I won't be telling you all those things. So don't take all these secrets that I'm revealing to you for granted. Okay, I want you to make money. That's why I'm telling you. So you can see everything here. Invite your friends using your invitation code or URL. Okay, so this is your invitation code, this is your URL. Okay, so once you click on this place, you copy that. Once you click on this place, you copy it also. So I'm going to show you more things. This is the promotional banner. Okay, so once you click on this place, you are going to see my referral link, free advertisement text. Okay, you click on this free advertisement. What you need to do right here is to click on this first one. Okay, if you want this first one, you should copy it. Okay, and once you copy the first one, automatically you have copied both your referral link. What you need to do is, once you go to your WhatsApp group, WhatsApp status, any place, you can write this thing like this and paste it. Okay, you don't even need to write anything, just go there and paste it. Okay, and you can see all this is material to invite people. You are going to make more money. Don't, even if people start calling you any name, don't listen to them. If they can't beat you, they can join you. Okay, they will start seeing all those things every day, then they will say, let me give this a chance. Okay, and this is free of charge. You are not paying any money to get all this airdrop. You are not paying any money. So you can see it here. You can make use of anyone you want. Okay, this is for advertisement if you wish. If you don't want, you can keep claiming this free of charge. Nobody will disturb you. Okay, so that's how you can make more money by referring people if you wish. So this one is a word hub. Once you click on this place, you can see that everything here is new. They are still working on so many things. That's the reason why you should queue in now, so that you will be among those that will make a lot of money with this website. Okay, so you can see everything. This is leaderboard. You can see everything here. Like I always show you everything and how I'm doing my things. If you want to join me, very simple, join me on my WhatsApp, join me in my TikTok, join me any social media that I drop there. Just join me, keep joining me. You are going to make money by joining me there. Okay, because we are all here to make money. You can see when they are completed the launch, you are going to be seeing this their native token. This is BSF. Okay, you can trade it with BNB here, you can trade it with USDT here, you can trade it with USDC. Okay, you can see all those things is what you are going to be, they are going to be pairing it with their native token. That time is when you can sell it off and make your profit. Okay, so don't joke with any airdrop that I drop. 80% of airdrop that I drop here is going to make you a lot of money. Like this futuristic swap. I told you guys about futuristic swap. Some people that know what airdrop is all about are still mining it up till now. Okay, and this thing, don't think you are wasting your time. You are not wasting your time. You are creating wealth unknowingly to you. Okay, you are creating wealth. Let's just say that tomorrow that's futuristic swap, click $1, pay one, and you have like 20,000 pieces of it. Just take $1 times 20,000. That's what some people don't know. This is a pancake swap. I think it's up to $2 or $3 right now. Okay, check those people that claimed it at initial free of charge, and they want to sell it now. That is up to $2 or $3 now. Just check how much, like someone that have like 10,000 pieces of it. Do you know how much that person is going to sell it? Do you know how much the person is going to make? Airdrop is something that will make you millionaire overnight without no stress. Go and check. All these exchanges, they have their own native token. Okay, BNB now. Do you know how much BNB worth? BNB is 200 and something now. I think 200 and something dollar. And okay, for one BNB, check those people that claimed it when the Binance newly launched it. Check all those people that claimed it. And one BNB is 200 and pay one. Okay, someone that have up to, let's say, 1,000 pieces of it. I'm just giving you ideas on how those people become millionaire overnight. So I want you to keep claiming all those, whether it's fake or not. Keep claiming it. You are not the dev, okay? You are not the dev or the person that have the project. You are not them. They are the one to decide whether this will make you a lot of money or not. So your own, what you should do is just to make sure that you claim it when everybody is claiming it. Okay, and maybe tomorrow when you see me, you will see, yes, this guy helped me. Okay, so I love you guys, and I love the way you guys show up in my video. You guys encourage me by liking my video, sharing my video, and commenting on my video. That's what motivates me more to do more videos. Okay, because once I see that people like what I'm doing, I'll keep showing you the secrets, because there's a lot of things to review to you guys. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed and turned on the notification bell, try and do it right now. Okay, try and do it, and also make sure that you join our social media, because there's some video that I will not be able to share in our YouTube channel. Okay, but if you come to our Telegram, you will see it. If you come to our WhatsApp, you will see it. If you go to my TikTok, you are going to see it also. So guys, this is an opportunity to make money. Okay, don't play with airdrop, don't play with crypto. Crypto have make a lot of people a lot of money. So guys, see you at the top. Bye bye.